and we are back in Jungle Resort Amba. I just want to show you, we have just pulled out this net from the swimming pool, and the swimming pool is completely dirty, but I will show you within 2 hours we can change this dirty pool into a clean blue water. We have taken out all the leaves from the swimming pool, and we have brushed the bottom. Also the pump filter has started, and now we are pouring in hypochlorite, which is chemical. So if you can see, we are pouring in all directions. So in all directions, hypo is being applied, and the filter has started. Okay, we just applied that hypo, and now we are brushing the bottom so that all the bottom through this filter and into the filtering system, which is a sand filtering system, and the clear water is then thrown back into the. We can already see the bottom. It's looks quite green at the moment. The color we are trying to achieve is this blue color. Let's hope it works. Here we are back again in 1 hour, and you can already see the pool is nice and blue. Only a little bit of bottom that he's going to clean it with the bottom. When it comes to that step, I will show you. Finally, any particles left will be sucked out and sent to the filter for filtration. This is it. This is the last step, and we get clean blue water. What you see is the leaves. So there you have it. Swimming pool cleaned in less than 2 hours.